Hi, this is Paul from TechDroider. Today, as you can see, we're going to be unboxing the Pixel XL by Google. So, without further ado, let's have a look what's inside. This is the quite black 32 gig version. So as you can see, gorgeous phone, nice and simple. Sleek curves. Okay. Next we have a variety of booklets about getting started. Google Assistant, of course. We have a USB-C cable. Dongle for doing your phone-to-phone transfer, USB-C. Over here we have our plug, USB-C to USB-C. And lastly, one more cable, so that's kind of nice having two. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. And I think that's everything that's in the box. So two cables, that's kind of nice. There we are. So that's everything that's included in the box. Most importantly, of course, the phone. Nice bright screen. And we're set to get going. So, the Google Pixel XL. Looking forward and going to have some fun. Thank you and have yourself a great day.